What is wrong with this internet? Hello. And I think we are live, but my internet is pretty shit, guys, today. It is pretty shit. I don't even know if I'm live or not, but I am pretending to be live. Alright, guys. Hi. Yeah, and we are live again. Live finally. Sorry about that. My internet was pretty shit, but now it is good. So I'm back live again. I tried to come live before, but I could not because of my internet. So it is what it is. Now we are finally live. Yeah. And the first thing I want to let you know about is, guys, so here in Australia, here in Melbourne, we had our daylight saving on from yesterday, right? So the clock is 1 hour faster. That means that 8 a.m. New York time is 11 p.m. here. Previously it used to be 10 p.m. but now it's 11 p.m. So yeah, for my Australian viewers, for people in Australia, I'm gonna come live a little bit late, around 11 p.m. I'll try my best, but yeah, 11 p.m. So let's go. Yeah, good morning, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good night. Welcome back to stream. I am your host, Mr. BBB. As always, back again live trading gold New York session. And yeah, today's Monday, start of the new week. Last week was pretty bad for me, but let's see how it goes this week. Yeah, last week, yeah, for like 2 months I lost. Last week was a losing week, so let's see if I've learned a lot of things from last week, so let's see if we can imply that and make money this week. So let's go how this week goes. As always, Monday was always, I tell you guys, Monday has been pretty hard, so let's see how this Monday goes, guys. So yeah, let's go have a look at the chart. Let's see how it goes. I want to start from monthly chart because this is the start of a new month, right? So it's October. So let's see how October goes. September, although last week was pretty bad for me, looking at the whole month, it was pretty alright. I made decent money on September, so it was pretty alright. Yeah, so let's see how October goes. I hope I want the October to be good, but it is what it is. Let's see. Let's not predict what's gonna be the future because nobody knows the future. All we can do is wait, be disciplined, have patience, and not be greedy. That's all I tell to everyone. So let's go how it goes. Looking at the monthly chart, guys. So last month, look at this last month candle. It is a whole really strong bearish candle, which is like almost 1000 pips candle, 1000 pips move last month. It broke all the lows of previous 1 to 3 months. It broke lows of previous 3 months. And looking at the monthly chart, we have some kind of, give me what is so yeah, looking at the monthly chart, we have some kind of support around this area. Support around 1924.69, and our resistance is up at top 1967. Our support around 1824, 1825 area, and our resistance is around 1968. That's like way too far, so it doesn't make sense at all for now. So we just kind of focus on this support because this one is a monthly support, and we have this monthly week around the monthly week around 1806. That's like almost 160 pips away from this monthly support. So let's see how it goes. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. It's the start of the new week as well, so let's see. So yeah, as you can see, last week was pretty bearish. It was oh fuck, it's a 700 pips move last week alone. Yeah, and I missed this move. I feel pretty bad. I lost money. I missed this move. I had to adapt to this market, but I did not, which was pretty bad for me. So yeah. And last week low was 1846, and this today's candle has already broken the last week low, and it is coming down, and I am anticipating the price to come down towards this weekly. So looking at the weekly candle, we have a weekly support around 18010 1809 area, and which and the monthly support around 1825. So yeah, that's how nothing much in the weekly candle. We have a weekly support around this 1811 area. Yeah, the price might bounce around this area. Which one is a monthly support in 1824 area? We never know. So we will see. We will look around the lower time frame if we can find any zones or any reasons, any key levels around looking key levels around this area, looking at lower time frame, then that would be strong key levels. I hope that is gonna be a strong key level. But for now, our weekly support is around 1909.83, 1910 area, and I think it is gonna be a really strong weekly support because it has been respecting this area. The price has been respecting this area a lot. Yeah, the price bounced back, broke, came back, retested this high, came back, broke this area, came for retest. Now it is coming back for the retest around this area, the 1910 area. So let's see how the price reacts. Let's go to daily candle, guys. And daily candle, yeah, previous, I don't know how many days, 9-10 days has all been bearish candle. That means that US dollar is getting stronger. That's why the price of gold is falling like dead cat, as they say, something like that. So yeah, the price of gold is coming down a lot, and what I yeah, what I feel like is, since we have a weekly support around this 1909 1910 area, I am expecting this price of gold to come towards 1810 11, which is still almost 250 pips away from the price right now. Yeah, and there's nothing much because the daily has been pretty bearish, and looking at the left side, there's not much traffic here as well. So there's a high probability that the price is gonna continue pushing down towards 1810, and yeah, I think it is gonna retest this, respect this area, and it's gonna reverse back, do retracement, and come retest this area again. So for now, we don't know yet. And today's daily candle has been a pretty bearish candle as well, following the trend. And our daily high is 1849, daily low is 1831. Yeah, we will see how it goes, but looking at the daily and weekly candle, I am expecting for the price to continue moving down towards 1810 and respect this area, and I want this price to move up. I want this move, so I want this price to come here to this area and then continue moving up and come down again, break this low or something like that. We will see. We will see how it goes in the coming days and coming weeks, guys. So let's go to 4-hour candle. Wow, what we can see on 4-hour candle. Yeah, looking at the 4-hour candle, to 4-hour candle is rejecting this area because we have a monthly support around 1824. Yeah, 1824, and the price just rejected it. But what I want is, I want this price to come towards 1810, which is a clear weekly support and daily support area. So that's what I want, but we will see. And looking left at 4-hour candle, yeah, there is clean traffic till this 1810 area. So traffic is clean till 1810 area, so which means that price should continue down, because there has been a high price has been in a really strong bearish trend, downtrend, and I feel like price should continue down toward this area to retest this area and yeah, maybe and reverse back from this area to retest this highs. So we will see how it goes, but for now I'm expecting the price to come towards 1810. Yeah, so that's what I can see looking at the 4-hour candle. And for our key levels, one of the key support level is 1810 area, and I can't see any resistance area looking at the 4-hour candle, because all the look at this all 4-hour candle, they've been all bearish candle. The price hasn't sorry, fuck. Give me one sec. Yeah, so look at this 5 candle, guys. The price has been coming down really heavily. It hasn't even retested. There's not a single green candle. So yeah, we might have some green candle this week. We'll see how it goes for now. But for looking at the 4-hour candle, we have a key level around 1810, and the other key level I can see at 4-hour candle is around 1859, which is some kind of support area. That's like almost 300 pips away, which is a lot. So yeah, let's go to 1-hour candle. Let's see if we can see any structure, any key levels on 1-hour candle. So yeah, looking at the 1-hour candle, we can finally see some structure, guys. So looking at the 1-hour candle, the price has formed some kind of a small bit of support here around 1832, and there is some kind of resistance around this area, which is 1848. Yeah, I'm not gonna consider this area as a support, because we have another support just like 20 pips 30 pips above it, so I don't want to take that risk. So yeah, by looking at the 1-hour candle, what I can see is I can see a little bit of support area, little bit of resistance, sorry for that, little bit of resistance around 1848.90 area and some kind of support around 1832.97, and yeah, 1832.97. but this area are not as, I don't think this area are that much strong, because there's not a clear rejection of price around this area. So for now I'm just gonna mark it as a minor support and resistance, but let's see how the price reacts to this area. If it rejects it on lower time frame, then we might take a trade around this area. But if the price doesn't rejects anything, doesn't do anything around this area, then I'm gonna wait for the price to come come towards 1810. So let's go to 30-minute candle. Yeah, 30-minute candle, same thing. We have some kind of, so we have formed some kind of support around 1832.68 area, and we have some kind of resistance around 1842, but the thing is, like, we have another resistance just above it, so it means that I am just gonna ignore this area, ignore this region for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mark it off for now, because sometimes the price So again, the 15, it is trying to make a low high, right? So sometimes the price makes a little bit low high around this area, reject this area, and continue pushing down. So that might be our another option. So what I can do is, if the price comes toward this area, and if the price shows some rejection, then we can take sales around this area as well. But it's not a strong resistance, so I don't. Yes, it's risky. So we will see. We will see how the price goes. And let's have a look at 15-minute candle. Looking at the 15-minute candle, same thing, guys. Yeah, looking at the 15-minute candle, we have the same thing, as we have some kind of support around 1832, and we have a minor resistance around 1845 and 1849. These two are the minor resistance. So we for now we are not gonna take any trade if the price taps this area. I am just gonna wait for the price to come towards this area, and we will see how the price reacts to this area. If the price rejects this area like it did before, then yeah, I might take some trades over there. But if it doesn't, then we will just let it run. Just let it run. So yeah, we will just let it run. So that is our analysis for the day, guys. Nothing happening. It just price has been in a super downtrend, and basically yeah, price has been give me one. Yeah, price has been coming down a lot for this past few days. So yeah, so we are just gonna wait for the price to come to our key level, and let's see if we can take any trade or not. And let's have a look at the news. So looking at the news, today is Monday, October 2, and we have some news today. We have the high impact news at 10 o'clock. That's ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 o'clock, and there's another news at 11 a.m. and 11 a.m. the Fed Chair Powell speaks, and whenever this guy speaks, the price moves like crazy. Whenever Fed Chair Powell speaks, price moves. So that's why this is a really important news for us as well. And we have news at 10 o'clock. So that's in like almost 1 hour 45 minutes. So yeah, we have news at 10 o'clock. So that's pretty, yeah, that's still like 1 hour 45 minutes. And by the time that news comes, it's gonna be 1 a.m. here in Melbourne. So I don't know if will I be here till that time. I have no idea, because I need to wake up a little bit early tomorrow. I don't know. Yeah, I will be there. I'll be here by that time. It's just 1.5 hours. So, and our rule is not to take any trade before any high impact news. That has been my rule. That has been my plan. So maybe we just have to. Maybe I'll take just a small trade, or maybe I'll just wait for the news to come and let the market to absorb the news and source a direction, and I might take some trades. Yeah, we will see. For now, I'm just gonna wait for the market to show us what it wants to do, and then we might take some trades. So we will see, guys. So we will see news at 10 o'clock, and give me 1 second. Let's see how the price moved last time when this news came. So this news came on September 1st. September, where are you, September? September 1st, 10 o'clock. Ah, so the price reacted a lot. Reacted really. So last week, the price came a little bit better than expected. Price came a little bit better than expected, but which means that it was good for US dollar, which means that the price should continue pushing down. The price came down a little bit but started to move up again. So yeah, it might do the same thing today as well. If the news came positive for US dollar, it might push down a little bit and maybe continue pushing up to retest this highs. So what the price might do is the price might come down again, to retest this low, and it might, if the news is positive for US dollar, right, it might continue pushing up maybe toward this level or toward this level, retest this level and continue pushing down, break this level and come towards 1810 area. So we will see. Yeah, it might do that. We will see, guys. For now, we are just gonna I am just gonna wait. The price is moving up. It is breaking this area, so it is breaking this area, so it must continue push up. Yeah, that's what I mean. It is gonna continue push up toward this area, maybe reject this area. We will see. And our trading central buddy is asking us to sell with a stop loss at 1849, above this high, above around this area, and TP at 1823 here. Yeah, this makes sense. So it's saying that we have some kind of resistance around this area. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the price to come toward this area and I might take a sell. I'm sorry for that. Sorry for touching my nose. It happens, okay? I'm trying my best. Just sometimes it happens. And I'm gonna have my protein shake, guys. Give me one. And like always, I tell you, Monday has been pretty. Yeah, Monday is just the start of the week, so people just wait for the market to. So people just wait, so they don't trade much in Monday. So that's why it's really hard to trade. There's not enough volume, so it is really hard to trade on Monday, and it has been pretty bad for me as well. So we will see. We're learning every week, right? We are learning every day, so. Learning by doing mistakes and mistakes and mistakes and a lot of mistakes. So yeah, we will see. For now, we are just waiting. Let me write it here. Waiting for 10 a.m. news. Okay, so yeah. So for now, we are waiting for 10 a.m. news. That's like 1.5 hour. In 1.5 hour. Give me one second. Give me 1 second, guys. I just need to call my sister. I got a call from my sister, so sorry for that. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm back. I think she's talking with somebody else. So. Let's see. So yeah, this 15-minute candle is interesting because it went up, and it means it went up, but as soon as it went up, it came down straight, which means there's not enough volume. But we still have 5 more minutes for this 15 to close. So let's see how this 15 closes. But for now, I am not interested in buys until the price comes towards 1810. That's like really far, 20, 200, 200, 300 pips. So I have no interest in buys. But yeah, we will see if the news came good, bad for US dollar. I might take buys with news, but for now, just gonna wait. Let's go to 5-minute candle, 5-minute candle. We have 19 seconds for this 5 to close. If this 5-minute candle can close above this area, then there's a high probability that we are gonna push up. But other than that, yeah, the 5 did close above this area, so which means that we can probably move towards 1845. So we will see. Yeah, so we will see. Let's see how it goes. I like the stream. Yeah, we have plenty of time for the news, so we'll just wait. Yeah, I might take sales around this area, 1845, expecting for the price to continue pushing down with a stop loss above this area. Yeah, so we will see. The thing is, like, yeah, for the price to move up, this 15-minute candle needs to close above this area, but it is struggling for now. But we still have 2.5 minutes for this candle close, so we will see. Do you have any news? Give me one say. Yeah, I think everyone is waiting for Fed Jerome Powell's speech, which is 11. Is that 11? Yeah, 11. That means around 1 o'clock Melbourne time. So yeah. Yeah, so the price is coming down. Yeah, this wicks mean that price tried to break this area and move up, but it didn't have enough volume in the market so that it couldn't sustain this move, so it started coming down. So yeah, we might come down until toward 1832, maybe retest this area and maybe move up. But I think since we have news at 10 o'clock, so yeah, it's better not to take any trade. Better to stay away from the market till 10 o'clock. Till, yeah, that's which is in around 1.5 hour. Yeah, that is gonna be my plan. Yeah, I am not gonna take any trades till 10 o'clock. I need to do that. Because last time, I think last Thursday, I did that mistake. I took a trade before news. I knew that and I took a trade and I lost a lot. I think it was on Friday. Yeah, there was a news at around I think 10 o'clock. And I took a trade because looking at the structure, I feel like the price was coming down. I took a trade, I hold it till news and the news came great, good for the good for the price of the golds. That's why the price went up and I lost little hefty amount of money. So yeah, I do not want to take trade before news. That's what I've learned from my mistakes. So yeah, we still have 1.5 hour to do 1.5 hour. I don't know what I'm gonna do till that time. We'll see. You just look for how the price moves till now. Till then. So the previous 30-minute candle closed. I think we call it. I think it's the bearish hammer candle. It has a long top wick, small body, and a small bottom wick, which is a sign of reversal. Reversal means reversal. What is reversal? Reversal means, as you can see, the price was coming down, right? But at this point, the price rejected this area. It didn't want to come down and it went up. So this is called reversal. So whenever you have this sort of candle, it is a sign of reversal candle. So price is moving up, the candle formed this candle, so it means that the price wants to come down to this area. But yeah, I don't have much idea. I read it somewhere because I don't trade this candle pattern or something like that. So yes, but the price is coming down. Yeah, I think price is gonna come down towards 1832. Maybe, maybe reject this area once again, go up. I don't know, because I would have taken trade around this area if we didn't have any news at 10 a.m. But the thing is, we have news, and I've learned it the hard way not to take trade before news. So we will see. Or what I can do is I can just take a short trade, like trade that I can hold it for like 5-10 minutes. Mm. So we are just waiting, and yeah, I think I tell this every day, every time. Like, trading is a waiting game, guys. It's a pretty boring thing. Trading is really boring. You just have to wait for the perfect setup to come, and yeah, sometimes it takes really long. Sometimes it happens all in a short period of time, but sometimes you just have to wait. It's a boring career. Let me turn off my fan. It's getting cold. Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry for that. I just sorry for that. Wake up at 7 tomorrow morning. 7 o'clock. Hey guys, we're just waiting for the news, waiting for the price to move. So there's nothing much happening. Yeah. Our next like strong resistance looking at this 30-minute candle is around 1877. That's like 400 pips away, guys. That's a lot of, yeah, because the price moved a lot last week. It was dropping like, I don't know. It was dropping, and I did a mistake of expecting the price to retrace, price to move up. I thought like the price has moved a lot down. Now it's time to move up. That's the mistake I did, guys. That is the mistake I did. In this area, the 1885 area is gonna be a strong resistance. Yeah, this area. It is gonna be a strong resistance. Yeah, if the price can come to this area, I'm gonna take sells. But that's like way far away, so we will see. So previous month we made, I don't know how much we made, almost $7,300. Yeah, I should have made a lot, almost double, but the thing is, yeah, the last week has been pretty bad. That's why, yeah, all of these losses happened last week. That's why I lost a lot. But it is what it is, guys. It is part of the game. We need to understand that with trading, it comes losses, profits, drawdown, and yeah, that's how it works, and that these are part of the game, and I need to understand that. Do not download this Remitly app. Do I need to zoom a little bit? Oh, so since we're waiting, I'm gonna have a look at something else. Do I? No, so let's leave it. Yeah, guys, nothing happening. Just waiting. I take a no. I'm not gonna do this, guys. I'm not gonna do. I am tempting to take a buys here, but I am not gonna do because I am disciplined. I'm gonna fucking wait for this news. Yeah, I need to learn discipline. I need to learn to wait, not to rush into anything. Oh, shit. Sorry, give me 1 second. To my no, that my bad. Hirota. Let me have a look at what's Mr. Don doing, guys. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, just continue to grow that account. But there'll be a problem though. You try to flip that $50 account to 100 within a couple of days. That'll be a problem. But if you can do that within a couple months to a year, great. And then over time, increase your account size, deposit more money next year, right? Because you'll be having a job or whatever, another side of income, and you can put that money towards FX, right? So you slowly grow your account, but you also slowly building your skill too as your account slowly grows. I wouldn't use demo just because, like, for me at least, it didn't really, like, it's useless. It's so easy to wait for account closure on demo. It's so easy to see drawdown on demo. It's so easy to make profit on demo, right? But you go live, it's a little different. There's actually a real connection to that money. Any book you recommend for trading? I'm not the right guy to ask, not gonna lie. I don't read books for trading. Everything I do is just like on screen. Like like psychology books to me. And I'm pretty sure you can go to the library, look at self-help books. You know, those books will probably help you with keeping your emotions together. And depends on what you need it for, right? But I see everything just on the charts. To be honest, like I learned to develop my discipline through the charts, develop my skill through the charts, patience through the charts. Because you develop your playbook, right? And as you develop your playbook over time, right? Imagine somebody that doesn't have a playbook versus somebody that does have a playbook. A person that doesn't have a playbook does not know what they're taking. They don't know what trade it is to make money. Whereas somebody who has a playbook picks and chooses what they want to take, right? They choose the profitable trades in their playbook and not the ones that they haven't tested out yet. So off rip, that person who has a playbook is a lot more disciplined than the person without a playbook because they actually can pick and choose their trades.
So, one more hour, guys, one more hour for the news. And we are waiting patiently. And I'm feeling sleepy already.
at the break even we gravitate towards, right? Because like that's kind of where my audience is at. So like when there's new traders that come to my streams, they come here for a couple months and then they get impatient and they start looking around for different strategies. But guess what? They always come back. Like I've seen the same names pop up, and yeah, I was like, yeah, Don. Like one time I got a text saying like, or DM saying like, yeah, Don. Like I started training a little differently now. And like it's okay with that. Like nothing is wrong with like leaving or going like trying a different strategy out, right? Like I suggest you try a different strategy out because you can see what you're best at, what fits your purpose.
And we are waiting for the news. Yeah, I feel like what the price is gonna do is it is gonna move off from here. I don't know, with the news, if the news comes good for US dollar, the price bad for US dollar, the price is gonna move up toward this level and it is gonna continue moving down, break this low and continue pushing down. That's what I think. That's what the price is gonna do. So now we're just gonna wait. Still 1 hour. Close it here. Guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a quick trade. I just wanna